Best Android Apps is back, and this time for the month of August 2020. This is one of the most watched playlists on the channel because you guys love to watch it. And we're back with another 10 apps for the month. These are some really amazing apps. Guys, my name's Kev, you're watching Noise Tech, and let's get right into it. The first app on our list is Filterbox, which is a pro notification manager. If you by mistake clear your notifications, you can easily have a look at them within this app. This app will keep a history of your previous 15 to 20 notifications, and it works really well. If you clear your notification, just open the Filterbox app and you will find all your notifications present within the app. There are many different actions present for those apps too. You can easily add rules for them, how you want to see them throughout the day. And you even have analytics for each and every single app within Filterbox. This does a really good job and does keep a track of all your notifications. The next one is a really good productivity booster, Panels. All you have to do is swipe from the right and you can see your panel. Yes, but it does a really good job. It gives you shortcuts to go to different apps. All your apps will be present towards your right thumb. All you have to do is go to any app that you want. Contacts, games, any different app can be easily accessed with the help of this panel. Now, all your apps are also arranged in alphabetical order too. So finding them is really easy. The next one on the list is Exodus. This is a really plain and simple app. Suppose you download an app from the Play Store or any third-party website and you think that it is doing something fishy with your device, or it is using some permission that it shouldn't be using. Exodus easily helps you track that. It will show you the permissions used by each and every single app. It filters out those apps and the permission used by them. If you think the app does not require that permission, you can easily disable it then. This will easily help you keep your privacy safe and preserve battery life too. The next one is Bulletman 3D. This is again a really small game, but it is interesting. You have to think like a sniper. Just think that how many people can you take down with a single bullet. Keep your accuracy high, kill them all with the minimum amounts of bullets. You even get grenades. Now there are many different levels within the game and this game is endless. The graphics are really good, it is intriguing, you will surely love it. The next one on the list is TrueAmps. This will only work when your device is charging. You can easily control your music or many other functions while your device is charging. Yes, you will be thinking that this would be a simple app. This guy is really crazy, but I can tell you this is not a simple app. You get different features like edge lighting, always on displays while your device is charging and increases the functionality of your phone too. This is a really good productivity app. Do give it a try. If you don't like it, you can uninstall it anyway. The next one is iOS 14 KWGT. Yes, these are widgets that you can get on your home screen just like the iOS 14 widgets. Recently, Apple gave you the widgets option on iOS 14. Now you can get those widgets on your Android device too. You just need the iOS 14 KWGT app. And if you want to know how to use that app and how to install it, then a link to that video will be there in the description below or in the card section above. You can watch it anytime you want. It is an amazing video. Bullet Rush is the next amazing game on the list. There are multiple enemies, hundreds of enemies around you, and you have to kill them all before they kill you. Yes, you would be shooting continuously if they are within your fire range. You have to kill them all. With the fire mode, you can kill multiple enemies with just one shot. You have to lift your finger and directly kill them all. With Boom, you can take your sound experience to the next level. This app can be integrated with Spotify, Tidal, many other different apps. And all you can do is increase the quality of your music. Just select the genre that you want, the artist that you want, the albums, and you can easily do whatever you want with your music. You can easily adjust equalizers, which is amazing. Or you can increase the bass if you want for some songs, and this will help you get the best perfect sound for you. Surround sound compatibility is present within the app. With the help of this app, you can easily increase the quality of the music that you hear from your earphones, and you will seriously love it. If you really think you spend a lot of your time on your phone, then the Indistractable launcher is for you. You will feel as if you don't want to use your phone. This is a plain and simple minimalistic launcher, no nonsense at all. There is a light and dark mode present within the app. You have access to calendars and shortcuts directly. You can even hide apps that you want. Suppose you're using Instagram a lot, you can hide it and yes, you're done. This will help you increase your productivity while doing some work and reduce your screen time with your phone. Walnut is the next amazing app on the list. It has some really high quality wallpapers and each and every wallpaper is designed handcrafted. I really like the content on this app. It does make your phone look a little bit lively. I do pick wallpapers a lot from this app and it does satisfy me. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. These were the top 10 apps for the month of August 2020. All the link to these apps will be there in the description below. I've really used these apps in the past month and I do really use them a lot. So guys, if you end up liking this video, do hit the like button, smash that subscribe button because that is really appreciated. Enable notifications and I'll see you in the next one.